One reason I added the 20-segment map into loyalty without the bullshit is because loyalty reporting should not stop at counting points, members, or redeemers. That is not enough. A serious loyalty system needs to understand customer movement. When did the customer make the first eligible purchase? Did the customer install the app early, late, never, or abandon it? Did the customer redeem for the first time, redeem repeatedly, pause, become inactive, or never redeem at all? This matters because commercial activity, app adoption, and loyalty engagement are related, but they are not the same thing. A customer can become commercially active without becoming digitally active. A customer can install the app before making the first purchase. A customer can use the app but ignore loyalty. A customer can redeem once, then stop. A customer can leave the app before commercial churn becomes visible. If all of those customers are blended into one total number, the report may look clean, but the business learns very little. That is why the 20-segment map exists. It turns loyalty reporting into an operating map. It helps the company see where customers are entering the ecosystem, where they are progressing, where they are stuck, where they are disengaging, and where the next intervention should happen. For example, if new customers are buying but not installing the app, the problem may not be loyalty. The problem may be digital onboarding. If existing customers are active in the app but never redeem, the problem may not be acquisition. The problem may be reward visibility, benefit clarity, trust, or first redemption friction. If customers redeem before but stop redeeming recently, the problem may not be churn yet. It may be an early warning signal. Reward relevance is weakening. Catalog availability is poor. The journey is too difficult, or the customer is waiting for something better. If customers uninstall or become app inactive while still purchasing, that may be a signal that commercial retention and digital retention are separating. The customer still exists, but the digital relationship is weakening. This is why the framework uses a standardized early observation window and then tracks later windows over time. The first 30 days capture early behavior formation, app install, repeat purchase, digital touchpoints, loyalty engagement, redemption, and revenue generation. After that, the same cohort can be followed into later periods to see whether behavior improves, declines, or stabilizes. So the point is not to expose every calculation. The point is to show the logic. The public does not need to see the full production formula, scoring model, thresholds, budget rules, or proprietary calibration logic. But they should be able to see that this is not hot air. There is a real structure behind it. Customer lifecycle definition, app adoption status, loyalty engagement status, valid transaction filtering, monthly monitoring, cohort comparison, early warning signals, and action focus for each segment. This is where reporting becomes useful. A weak loyalty report says how many people redeem. A stronger loyalty report says which customer group redeem. When did they enter? What was their app status? Did they continue? Did they stop? And what should we fix next? That is the difference between decorative loyalty reporting and an operating system. The 20-segment map does not pretend to prove perfect causality by itself. It is a diagnostic layer. Stronger claims still require cohort comparison, control groups, revenue analysis, retention tracking, fraud checks, and bias checks. But even without exposing the proprietary formula, the structure already shows something important. Loyalty without the bullshit is not just a slogan. It has a way to classify customers. It has a way to observe movement. It has a way to detect gaps. It has a way to translate KPI signals into action. And it has a way to keep loyalty connected to real customer behavior instead of vanity reporting. Because loyalty is not only about giving rewards. Loyalty is about understanding whether the customer relationship is becoming stronger, weaker, stuck, or economically unjustified, and knowing what to do next.